Here at Precision, we just finished up this 2024 Aston Martin DBS Ultimate 770 Volante. This client was looking to protect its factory matte or frozen paint job from road debris, etc. We immediately recommended XPEL Stealth. This is going to leave the factory finish without changing the look whatsoever, but it's going to give you the ultimate protection against road debris, rock chips, bird etchings included. Other items such as gloss accents we also protected with XPEL Ultimate Plus, so full car coverage, giving you the protection the car deserves. Here at Precision, one difference in our installs, aside from our years of PPF knowledge and experience, we take certain parts of the car and remove them to allow us to open up the area and wrap the film into certain sections. Such as this carbon accent here, we ended up removing this so we could wrap the film inside the leading edge. That way there's no just exposed edge out here that'll collect dirt and dust over time. That way you get a seamless install.